Please turn on your magic beam, Mr. Sandman, bring me a dream.
You put your left foot in, you put your right foot out, you put your left foot in and you shake it all about. You do the hokey pokey and you turn yourself around. That's all it's all about. Wait, is this on? This is what happens when you dress up super ridiculous and your ears cannot go up because you don't know the time of day. Yeah. Hi guys. I'm doing an overhead shot today, so bear with me, please. Oh, I don't have another hand. I don't know why I'm dressed like a cat today. I even have my ears. I don't know why. I just felt like it. I guess because I didn't have any makeup on, and I was like, they need to be entertained by my face. Or, oops, I touched my boob. Are those cracks in my wall? Am I gonna die? Okay, what I really wanted to talk about today was last Sunday, actually. I had the best time ever because I went to the circus. Now, I know what you're thinking. No way, you're not supposed to go to the circus. That's for kids 10 and under. I know, possible emo guy, I know, I'm sorry, but it was really fun and I loved it. And there weren't a lot of younger kids there. Okay, well maybe there were, but I saw teenagers with their brothers and sisters, but they were still teenagers. The thing is, I went to not only the circus, but the circus in DC. Yes, DC. My awesomest, like, neighbor brother state. It's like the only place I can go without having creepy people stalk me all day. It was really fun. I got really angry though because there were some awesome street performers. And there were some not awesome street performers. There was this one group. Now, I mean, I guess they were funny.
I'm not going. I'm not on the camera. They can't.
Sexy white girl!
Oh.
Down girl!
Oh! No!
Okay! Alright!
Oh no.
We get the point! Now people, it's about to get dangerous for these people right here!
Yeah! I pray for you.
There's gonna be a black guy running real fast around 90 miles per hour with no police behind him! Make some noise! I'm going to attempt to flip over! One! And I have people! If you guys want to see this, everyone say yeah! Say oh yeah!
Oh yeah!
Say do it, sexy black guy!
Do it, sexy black girl!
But, I mean, they weren't all that. I love Chinatown. That's why I went. DC, Chinatown, DC. And it was really fun and it was really awesome and I got to like see everybody and everything and it was so awesome. I was like, ah! Okay, 9-year-old moment done. And you know, also there were some real sad times. Like me and Margie, we saw this accident, and you know, it was cool. I mean, not cool like, yeah, I'm gonna go smoke next to the car accident cool, but it was like things happen here. This is deep. But I mean, like, the actual accident itself, like, it wasn't cool. Like, it was really sad. But, you know, I'm happy that everybody survived. Actually, there were 2 car accidents that kind of freaked me out that day. Because I was like, what if I go in a car and I get into an accident? And I was like, oh my gosh, like, like, I was freaking out, like, inside. Like, I don't know why, but I was. And it was really weird. But, I mean, overall, it was fun. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I don't know why I'm talking like this. Even though it's Good Morning Panda, I will show you. Okay, don't judge me. I have a regrets clock, but I can't tell time now. It's about to be 12 o'clock. Like, I don't know why, I'm filming so late. I think that's why I'm a kitty today. Yeah. I had this like sudden rush of like, I'm going to make a video today, and I did. So I mean, it was pretty. Thank you guys for bearing with my overhead view. That's now, it looks like I'm going to hug you. Oh, do you feel the love in my hug? Oh, let me just turn my neck. It's okay. Breathing is okay when you hug. Yeah, I'm a creep. But thank you guys for watching. New video, I have no clue. But it will be sometime this week. Stay safe, have fun. Happy Easter! I'm so excited for Easter, I don't know why. Anyways, I love you guys, and I will talk to you later. Sorry, I'm a little paranoid today, so I don't know what's going on. But I'll see you later. Bye guys. I love tea. I love tea. I love tea. That's me. Don't put your hands on my tea, or I will pee in your face. Pee in your face. I will pee in your face because you took my tea. It's my tea. It's my tea. It's my tea. It's mine. It's my tea. It's my tea. It's my tea. It's my tea. You took my tea, so I pee in your face. I pee in your face because it's my tea. My tea because I pee in your face. Wait, what the hell? What? My tea because I pee. No, my tea, I punch you in the face and I pee in your face. It's my tea. My tea. Oh, okay. I know you guys want to watch the rest of my Sunday clips, so my tea. You're right. Your regular scheduled programming will begin now. My tea. Let's do it.
So does your investment.
It's okay, love. Don't act like you never been down with me before.
To produce
Sit tie your shoe. Sit tie your shoe.
All right, very good job, Kellyanne. So we got it. We're good. Gonna play the Hungarian game of stick. One. Very good job, Kelly. Showing off. Two. Three.